All right, good afternoon. This is our mitigation plan for the Seven Lakes or KDISD cross country meet series for October 10th. Here we are in the back of Seven Lakes High School. The area shaded in and around with the yellow line is the general area of competition. I will add to that here in a little bit. But our plan is for each of the races for school buses to come in through the entrance over here on the west side of the campus, park within this western portion of the parking lot, and then athletes will enter the field of competition over here on the west side of the tennis courts, come back through this given area, and they will set up camps using these two football fields right here, where we'll have them social distance according to UIL and KDISD specifications. It would be ideal to have potentially porta pots set up somewhere, maybe within this given area or this given area, if the district could provide for those, and a couple of hand sanitizer stations and water stations set up within this specific area. So the teams will warm up, and then they will come over to this respective location for the starts of their races, and then they will compete, where they will run the 2-mile course, which basically follows the yellow line. And the only difference is on the second loop, they will come in to this specific spot, and then they will enter through this gate and then onto the track, where they will finish onto the track right here by these numbers, and this is where the timing system will be on the track. One of our plans is to make sure that the stands will be off limits. We'll close the stands so they won't need to be cleaned after each race. The other thing is, once the races are done, we will potentially have maybe like a small but socially separated or socially distanced awards assembly, where we will give the plaque just to the head coach, and we will hand out individual medals through the chute. Then at that time, teams will exit through these respective gates and these respective gates from the camp areas, and then head along the sidewalk on the back side of the stands, and then they can exit out this gate right here, or exit through the tennis courts and out this gate right here back to their buses, and they will depart from the campus. Spectators will park in this respective area and this respective area, and then they will walk into one of two gates. There's a gate right here where we could have a ticket booth and hand sanitizer station. They could also walk into this respective gate right here, hand sanitizer stations as well. We would close this gate off right here and make the restrooms one-way restrooms, where they would enter the restroom on the north side of the concession stand and then exit on the south side. And then we would leave this gate in the northeastern corner of the track open for spectators to come through, and then they can socially distance either in the finish area or along the courses, but we will send out directions that they need to make sure that they do not go into the camp area right here. Once the meet is over with, parents will then again exit out of this given corner in the northeastern portion of the track, go back to their automobiles, and then exit the facility. Once teams and spectators are completely cleared, we will use our remind code that all the teams are given access to let them know that the next races are able to come onto campus. I hope that this helps out with providing for the meets and providing a whole lot of safety and lowering the risk of COVID.